Hey you guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys that there is another warehouse sale going on at Echo Park. So they're calling it their end of season sale going on now through January 31st. They have, like always, well, not like always, sometimes they don't have a lot of categories, but today they have a lot of categories and a lot of goodies you could get. I already peeked through and I do not see any Winnie the Pooh paper, which is what I have been looking for and just like waiting for that so I could place an order, but no. But they do have other goodies, lots of Christmas going on. They have some Easter, so if you guys are looking for Easter paper, so you guys could stock up, stock up on some Easter paper. Let me move you guys over so you guys could see all of this stuff. They have winter. They do have Disney paper, so if you guys want to craft Disney with me, I'm going to be trying to do a Disney project every single month. So if you guys want to craft Disney as well, get some Disney paper. I know I just have a lot in my stash, so I want to use it up. Like I said, lots of Christmas, some other winter themes, more Disney. They have some Valentine's Day. This coffee one right here, if you guys like coffee papers, get that one. You cannot find that anywhere else except for the warehouse sales because it has been discontinued. I love this coffee paper. I still have a bunch of it, so I don't need any, but that's like the only time you could find that coffee paper is during the warehouse sale because otherwise it is discontinued. They have Be Happy, a spring collection here, traveling. This is a crafting one here, summer. St. Patrick's Day is coming up as well if you guys need a St. Patrick's Day collection. These dog ones, so they do have a lot of dog this time. If you guys are looking to make like the wolf albums with the SVG from my digital Etsy shop, I like to mix up the I Love My Dog and the Bark collection. So these two right here, I love those. They are my favorites. They're just so cute. And they also have this one here that's called My Dog. Pets is usually like, it's like a mix. Like there's some dog, there's some like hamsters or I don't know, rabbits and turtles and lizards, and like the pets one is a mix for sure, but I do love the dog collections if you guys are looking for some of those. They have these dots and stripes, so either autumn, summer, Christmas, or spring. They have them all right now and they're just good to have on hand, honestly. Then you could get like a homemade kitchen, Halloween, farm to table, more Halloween, more fall, some summery ones. Let's see, more fall on this page. There's some 4th of July. There's another Disney one, and then we're getting into some baby collections. So they do have quite a bit of baby as well. I love this dynamite one. I gotta make something with that already. It's so cute. I also gotta use this one. I think I have this one, right? The Practically Perfect. Do I have that one? Or maybe it's a different one. I don't know. Some kind of Paris themed girly tea time looking one I have. That I need to use. I don't know, maybe it was that one, maybe it wasn't. No, I can't, I don't know. And then they just have some more here. If you're also looking for graduation, that's going to be coming around soon. And yeah, so those are their 12 by 12, more Disney here. 12 by 12 collection kits. This wedding bells one is a newer one. So if you guys are looking for a wedding collection that doesn't have pink in it, this is greens and blues. That is a newer one, and I recommend getting that if you need one that doesn't have pink because those don't come by often from Echo Park. They seem to be like mostly black, white, and pink, but this one is black, white, blues, like a light blue, and a green. And they're pretty colors, so you guys could get those. All right, so that was their collection kits. They do have some bundles here as well. You can get the Winnie the Pooh as a bundle. It's on sale. I don't know, is that a great deal? I mean, 15, I don't think it's the best deal. $30 for those. But I mean, you can get it if you'd like. It's an option. Their Valentine's Day paper up here, I think that's a new one from this The Little Builder, oh my gosh, I love this one too. As soon as I get that in the warehouse sales, like standalone, I will be getting that one as well because that's adorable. I love that one. But you can get some bundles if you guys want to get some of those. Then we have 6x6 paper pads. They don't have any Winnie the Pooh here either. I'm still waiting, you guys. I honestly don't think they're gonna ever have it. I think Winnie the Pooh is just so popular that they're not gonna have it during their warehouse sale, but I'm gonna be keeping my eye out because you never know. But 6x6, they have more Disney fall. I see the Dynamite collection, lots of birthday collections and papers. St. Patrick's Day. I don't think I have a 6x6 for St. Patrick's Day. I feel like maybe I should get one so I can make some card folios, but I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. I don't know. I don't really have anything else to buy though, so I feel like I would need to reach the $50. Okay, Christmas Joy, I'm pretty sure, and the Nutcracker, I'm pretty sure these two are new from this year. So for, you know, from this past year, from the last Christmas release, I guess, I'm pretty sure those are new. So get those. I don't have any of those in my stash. Those are definitely new because I don't have them. I don't have them at all. And the Spooktacular Halloween is a newer one. I want to say that's 23, I think. I don't know. Might be 24. It's a newer-ish one. And that is the 6x6. Then they have Ephemera, $2 each, or 10 for 15. So let's go through that. So these, they have a ton, as always. If you don't use these, don't even look through the section. If you do, and if you need something, like let's say you have some papers to go with the collection and you don't even have the sticker sheet or the whole collection kit, this would be something good to look into if you want some ephemera. Then they also have the decorative brads, so they're like adhesive brads, like stick on. They don't have like the prongs in the back. And then there's some little chipboard pieces. They've got lots of Christmas and just other ones to go with collections. I see some fall, baby, and yeah, so they have those. Then they also have the chipboard. These are $2 each. I see lots of baby right now. Some winter, some home themed collections, summer, and yeah, so those are good too. I don't usually get any of those just because I usually buy the collection kit and then I usually have leftover stickers anyway. Washi tape, and then we'll go into mega pads. So washi tape, I don't know, do you guys use washi tape? This is a section I never look at except for when I'm doing this video because I do not buy washi tape. Mega pads, these have the 48 sheets, so some of them do have solids. Oh, this is the collection I was talking about. That looks like a little tea time. The Life is Beautiful, I think that's the one I was talking about. So Sweater Weather is a newer one from this year. Baking Spirits, Bright, Nutcracker, again, those are newer. Let's see what else. I don't know what else. Oh, Harvest, that's a newer one. Okay, and they actually have that on sale this time. That's one that they would have in the warehouse sale before, and it would still be like full price or like $10, and they actually have it on sale right now for $5. So that would be a good one if you want a fall mega pad. Enamel dots are $3 each. The original price is the same as the chipboard, so I don't know why the chipboard is $2 and these are still $3. I wish they were $2 because then I would buy some more. I never understood that. The printed cardstock is just solid single sheets. So you could get it in whatever color you are looking for 69 cents instead of the normal $1 amount. Then they have puffy stickers. So let's go through that. Puffy stickers, I like these because they're smaller than the chipboard, they're smaller than the ephemera, they're smaller than the sticker sheets themselves. So if you are making some mini projects, I like these, but just remember that they do add some dimension because they are a little bit puffy. So they do add some dimension to your projects, but I do like them for their size. Then they have the photo sleeves. So if you guys want to include some photo sleeves in your albums that you're making, or maybe you're making 12 by 12 scrapbooks, they have different sizes. Like this is a 12 by 12 one. This is a 6 by 8 pocket page. You can add binder rings to albums. You could just buy like the binder ring part online and just make an album and stick that binder ring thing in and then add these in there. you can make hinges for these and add them into your project. So whatever you want to do, or if you want to just start making some layouts, like maybe 12 by 12 layouts or things like that, then you could do that as well. And then in that case, I'd probably just get the 12 by 12 like plain one. It says out of stock anyway though. Yeah, this one's out of stock too. Why are those out of stock? 50 sheet pack and 25 sheet pack. Oh, the 10 sheet pack is in stock. So if you wanted to like start making 12 by 12 layouts, like, and shipping them off to people, that would be good. Let's see what else. Sticker books, sticker sheets, and solids. Okay, sticker books. I like to get Christmas ones. I have like one fall one, maybe two, and I think I may have a Disney. I can't remember. Oh, this family at home one looks really cute, but I don't need it. Anyway, I usually like to get like a couple of Christmas ones just because I do a lot of Christmas crafting and I have a lot of Christmas paper pads, and paper pads do not have sticker sheets, so I usually like to get the sticker books. The sticker books, their stickers are also smaller than the sticker sheets. They're like a good smaller size, which is why I really like them. They have like options, like some might be a little bit bigger, but there's a lot of like smaller ones that I like to use. Sticker sheets, if you have like the collection and you just don't have the whole full collection kit, so you don't have a sticker sheet and you want some, you guys could get these. They're on sale for $2. I like the ones like these with the Christmas salutations. If you're making Christmas cards, slap one of those on the front and you just basically finish your whole entire Christmas card. Like I like having the salutations on hand, or like the ephemera that has a lot of like words in it. I like those, or like sentiment kind of things. Same thing with the birthday salutations. Like those are good to have if you're making a lot of, you know, those type of card. Then they have the solid kits. These are $3 each. I like to get some of these sometimes. I usually get like a lot of Christmas and in different colors because they could go with whatever Christmas paper I'm working with. So I like to do those. Sometimes I like to do the Valentine's Day because it is hard to find the correct shade of pink, you guys, to match whatever you're working with. Like sometimes they're too peachy, sometimes they're too red, sometimes they're too purpley. Like you never know with pinks. There's so many different shades of pink. So the pink ones, like the Valentine's Day ones, I generally would like to get with the collection if I need it. Okay, what's next? Stencils, dies, and stamps. All right, so if you guys are into mixed media, you guys could get your hand on some stencils. They got some Easter ones. I see the carrots. I don't get any of these because I don't do mixed media, but that's always fun if you're into that. They have dies. I see birthday, Christmas, Easter. I don't think they're the cheapest, to be honest. Like half-ish price. Like this one's not even, this one right here is not even a full half price. It should be $6.50 if it were, but yeah, I mean, you can still get a discount. And then you have stamps. These are cute. This one, if you guys are going to be making some St. Patrick's Day, there's a lot of sentiments on here. If I was to get stamps, I would get the ones with sentiments also. Like that's just me. That's what I like. I don't normally stamp other things, but if there is a doggy one on here, then I would consider, because I have been needing actually like a paw print or something. Dog stamp. I'm going to do a search. Let's type in dog. Nope, nothing comes up. So I don't, or maybe bark. Let's type in bark. Nope, I don't see any doggy themed ones. But they have 14 pages. Oh my goodness, 14 pages of stamps, you guys. So maybe I need to go through that because that was just the first page where I did my search. I don't know. That's a lot of pages to go through. Then they have die and stamp sets, and last but not least, traveler's notebooks. So here's the die and stamp sets. You get the stamp, you get the die. Ooh, if you guys have been looking to get Winnie the Pooh, there's a little bit of a sale on that. Honestly, it's not too good. Normally $34, on sale for $29 almost. Like, that's not the best deal, but if you are going to be using a lot of Winnie the Pooh paper, making a lot of Winnie the Pooh projects, that could be something that you might want. And they have 3 different ones. So there's this one, and then this one. So they have a bunch actually for Winnie the Pooh. Oh, there's this one too. That's another Winnie the Pooh right there. And another one right here. They have, that's 5, 6 right here. Oh my gosh, they have so much Winnie the Pooh. So choose the one that you'd like if you guys want that. And then they have Traveler's Notebooks. These are a great deal for $1.20 or $1.80, depending if you get 1 or 2. They also in this section have photo corners, and they have like the bigger Traveler's Notebooks where you can just add the notebooks inside, and then yeah, you could use that. I really like the pink gingham one. That one's just a really cute one. Or you could get the teal. They have a teal one too. But anyway, you guys, that is everything they have during this warehouse sale. Their end of season sale is what they're calling it. I'm still waiting for the actual Winnie the Pooh to go on sale, and now I'm also waiting for the little builder collection to go on sale because it's just so cute. But I just want to let you guys know what they have. So yeah, happy shopping, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.